Hello everyone, my name is Anuraag. So I'll give you a quick rundown of the graph comparing Singapore's daily new COVID-19 cases to the number of patients discharged from January to mid-March 2020. So what I see basically are the two things in the graph, namely the new confirmed COVID-19 cases plotted by the red bar and all pointing upwards on the right side. So the patient's discharge expressed as blue bars pointing down. So on the x-axis in the date range, whereas the y-axis represents the number of cases, the new cases reflects on the y-axis, positive y-axis, while the discharge are on the negative side, hence making it easy to clearly see the comparison each day. From this setup, we identify the trends of cases and discharge over time and thus provide insights into COVID-19 and Singapore's response. I find the color coding very useful for the visual distinct of new cases from recoveries. Further details might include clearer date labels and maybe some annotations of important events that will give more context. So that said, this graph is quite effective as showing early impact of COVID-19 in Singapore.
Hi guys, I'm Akshay. So now let's discuss a very striking visual, namely the bloody toll in Iraq. It's the visual representation of the tragic toll of Iraq war from 2003 to 2013 with a focus on civilians and military deaths. This graph shows three things like civilian deaths, military deaths, and the timescale of the war. Civilian and military deaths change from month to month, while the x-axis shows the years. They have used a lot of red to really stress the scale of loss, with the bigger areas in red showing higher death tolls. There are also notes pointing out important events that led to spikes in fatalities, which gives it more important context. This graph is effective in showing how the death toll changed over the years, and it is also a breakdown causes such as airstrikes and bombings. However, there are some challenges. The large red areas, while impactful, and it can exaggerate trends, and the design is a bit complex, making it harder to pinpoint exact numbers. The intense red color is emotionally powerful, though at times it might feel more overwhelming than purely informative. That's all for the graph. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.